What if the internet on your phone could one day be 100 times faster than 5G? China is racing to build exactly that, and it's moving fast. While most of the world is still rolling out 5G, China has quietly pulled ahead in the global race to define 6G, the next generation of wireless technology. Let me explain. At the heart of this push is something called Terahertz, or Terahertz, a band of super high-frequency waves that could carry mind-blowing amounts of data through the air at once. These waves sit between microwaves and infrared light, and they promise blistering speeds, potentially over 100 gigabits per second, far beyond anything today's 5G networks can currently deliver. In recent months, Chinese teams have hit some genuinely striking milestones. Mountain Laboratories built a 6G test field, claiming roughly 10 times the range and capacity of 5G. Meanwhile, China Telecom and Tsinghua University tested a link from a satellite 20,000 kilometers up, beaming data straight to a device to prepare for a seamless space and ground 6G network. Why does connecting satellites matter so much? Because true 6G aims to cover the entire planet, oceans, deserts, and polar regions included, weaving space and ground into one giant network. Officials also revealed something telling. After 4 years of trials, China says it has built a reserve of more than 300 key 6G technologies, giving it real influence over global standards. And that word, standards, is the real prize here. Whoever helps write the rules for 6G could shape the future of global communication and earn enormous economic power. But let me be fair and clear, 6G is still years away. Terahertz waves are easily blocked by rain and even air, so huge engineering challenges still remain unsolved. Still, the race is very real and China clearly intends to lead it. So do you think they'll win the 6G crown? Tell me below and subscribe for more.